welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. We're doing part 2. Now it's time to organize. So let me show you what we'll be doing. Before I get started, do not forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and without further ado, let's get into it. So what I've decided to do is the middle part is going to be strictly makeup. And then you'll see I have like certain things on the floor, like my candles and stuff. I have my makeup bags that are right here. I'm watching Brand Mundo while I'm doing this. I kind of like organize the top a little bit, but I'm thinking, oop, knocking over stuff. This side, the left side of the cabinet will be like non-beauty related stuff. Let's say like the candles, over-the-counter medicine, first aid stuff, and then moving on over here, I'm thinking this could be any other miscellaneous stuff, like my beanies that are right there, just anything. I just need a little bit of organization, and I want to get rid of my Alex 9 drawer. So let's get into organizing this area. And here, so I bought this. I thought I bought 2 of these from Target, and I do have some bands that's in the trunk of my car that I forgot to pull out. So I'm gonna work with what I have right now. So I have this tray. It says acrylic sunglass and wallets. I was gonna use this for my eyeshadow palettes, but I'm just gonna see exactly what they look like with the shades, and I might put them up top, but let's just see what it do. And I think I'll put like my actual reading glasses. They need to be cleaned on this one. Yeah. So most of my makeup is over there. So let's work left to right. Okay. Let's work smarter, not harder. I have all of these like charger cords, and what is this? So that can go on that side. Change of plans. I'm gonna put the makeup brushes right here for now. Okay, so this is all the over-the-counter medicine. I feel like take this, put it in here. Expired trash. Expired. It's good. But I'm going through this. Expired. But I'm gonna still keep this. Now I need to go through this. These are earrings I just bought from like Child, so much trash. Can I even fit this? No. I guess this trash. Green bag keeping. For my birthday, earrings keeping. I mean, these are clips. I don't wear clips. Getting rid of them. Child, what am I doing with these little rings? This trash. These go on to my vanity. Keeping these. Trash. This is cute. But I can't fit it. I don't want to get it stuck. My hands, so. Sorry about the lighting change in this video. My light went dead, so I'm using this light right here. So I want to show you guys what I've done thus far. And so I have my setting sprays. Then this is my foundations and primers, concealers. This is some lip products. And then these are bullet lipsticks, lip glosses. That's from Fenty. Then let's go down here. Starting from the right is more lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. Then I have all of my loose powders, Huda Beauty, Givenchy. These are blushes, bronzers, and highlighters. So this is what I could fit thus far in the middle part. Now, once I get my new nightstand, I will be moving some things into the nightstand because I need to be able to put my eyeshadow palettes over here and the items that are like back stock. But this is thus far the middle part. Now in here is my sponges and brushes. And then down here is my candles, and then my leftover or brand new brushes. So I'll be able to use this down here once I burn up the candles. Excuse the white part back there. That's from when I was putting it together. I need to wipe it off. It's the styrofoam. Now, I do have a little bit more ways to go, but this is going to be my stopping point. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also, I'm really close up. I'm holding the camera and the light, but I have to get rid of this bookcase right here and get the rest of this stuff up off my floor. So, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching. Baby, you